Good morning, students. How are you? Are you okay, everyone? Okay, chalo. First of all, before starting our class, what we will do? Prayer. So, please ready for prayer. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Join your hands and speak. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Okay, now open your eyes. Okay, students, please take English writing book. Okay, please take English writing book. Now turn your page. Which page you will do? Okay, page number 12. Can you see here the page number 12? Page number 12. Okay, and write here date in corner. Okay, okay students, do you know what is A? चलो, A for हमने आपको क्या सिखाया था? A for aeroplane and A for abacus, right? So this is big A. This is big A. हो गया था ना क्लियर सबको? What is big A? Right. Which way you will do big A? Right. Here one dot, left line, right line, and sleeping line. This is a big A. Now turn off स्मॉल ए. ठीक, बिग ए आपका क्लियर. अब आपको हम स्मॉल ए बताएंगे. स्मॉल ए कैसे करना है? सो सी हियर, मेक अ वन लाइन एंड मेक अ सर्कल. दिस इज ए, राइट. एंड सेकंड वे स्टूडेंट्स, चलो हियर डॉट गिवन, here dot given students. Here make a circle like this, up A. This is your A. Clear? Again I repeat. C dot given, right? From dot make a circle. Circle से नीचे. This is your A. A for aeroplane, right? Okay, now we will write in our book also. So everyone, please open page number 12. Okay, so in small a also, A for ambulance, A for apple. Okay, A for ambulance, A for apple, right? Okay, now please put your pencil on question. Trace and write the small letter A. Trace and write the small letter A. Right? देखो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आपको पैटर्न दिखाया कैसे करना है. आपको डॉट से सर्कल करना है. कैन यू सी? हमने जैसे बोला था ना आपको, हियर डॉट टू यू हैव टू मेक अ सर्कल हियर एंड मेक अ लाइन, राइट? तो दिस इज योर A. चलो, trace the line everyone. Make a circle first, line. Okay, again make a circle, line. A. Again make a circle, line. Make a circle, line. A. Now speak the name of A. A for ambulance, A for apple. So we will speak generally A for apple, right? So from dot start, make a circle. A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, and A for apple, right? Done? Tracing done, beta. Now 4 line given. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line given. You have to write here small a, right? So this is your HW. Okay, this is your HW. क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? Here dot given, make a circle and line. This is your A. Done? So big A done. See, here big A and here small a. Right? Big A and small a. Done? Okay, now homework. It's a homework time. Busy bee time. Okay, busy bee time. This is your HW. Homework already given here and still I am writing HW. Right? Chalo. Put your pencil on question. Look at the pictures and write the initial letter. Again I repeat. Look at the pictures. आपको पिक्चर्स को देखना है, ठीक है, एंड राइट द इनिशियल लेटर. आपको फर्स्ट लेटर इसका लिखना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ एक्स. A for X, right? So write here A. Write here A. Done? Okay. Here A for which one? Aeroplane. So again you will write here A for aeroplane. Done? Here again third picture of acorn. Acorn means this is one type of fruit, right? A for acorn. So write here again A. Done? So you have to write initial letter, first letter in this box, right? This is your HW. Now again students, please put your pencil on question 2. Complete the spelling of the given words by adding A. You have to put small a, right? तो यहाँ पे आपको small a put करना है. Please make a underline this word small a, right? So अगर आप यहाँ पे a put करोगे तो anchor, acorn, small a यहाँ पे लिखना है, ठीक है? Arrow, alligator, right? And this is your favorite question. Color the aeroplane. Students, what you do here? Color. Simple. As you like. I will check on Saturday. Right? So please fill color here. Line के बाहर नहीं जाना है. ठीक है? Turn your page now. Turn your page. Now turn off B. A done students. Now turn off B. चलो B कैसे करना है पहले आप बोर्ड में देखिए. So first of all, make a line here dot given. Okay, make a line. Right? Now from here to here, half circle and again half circle. Done. Again I repeat. कैसे करना है देखो. Make a line. Right? Here again circle. Again circle. 2 times circle you have to do. This is your B. And what is the B? B for bear and B for B. Right students? B for bear. देखो यहाँ पे bear दिख रहा है ना आपको. So B for bear and B for bee. So again please put your pencil on question. Trace and write the capital letter B. Very easy students. चलो from dot you have to put your pencil on dot. Make a line. Make a 2 half circle. B. Right? Line. Make a 2 half circle B. B for bear. B for bee. Again speak students. B for bear. B for bee. B for bear. B for bee. B for bear. B for bee. B for bear, B for B. Again B for bear, B for B. Right? Now 4 line you have to write in HW. I am writing here HW. Right? So this 4 line you have to complete in HW. Okay. Now this is big B and this is small b. Small b means, students, what you do first, only make a line, right, and only half circle, one half circle. ठीक है, this is your small b. 2 circle means big B, right, and 1 half circle it is small b. So please put your pencil on the question. See, B for bus, B for ball. Again I repeat, B for bus, B for ball. Right? चलो, trace and write the small letter B. Trace and write the small letter B. Now dot given, from dot make a line and circle. B. B for bus, B for ball. B for bus, B for ball. Done. Here again, B for ball, B for bus, B for ball, B for bus, right? And this 4 line you have to do in HW. So I am writing HW here. Clear? So students, हम लोग क्लास यहाँ पे ओवर करते हैं, right? Take care. Bye bye.